Guys, job hunting today can feel like you're not even applying to people anymore. You're applying to systems, filters, keywords, and automated screening tools that decide whether your resume is worth showing to a recruiter. And that's where a lot of candidates get stuck. You can send dozens of applications every week, but if your resume, profile, and cover letter don't match the role properly, you may keep getting ignored. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're doing a JobAssist tutorial. This is an AI-powered platform built to make the job search process more organized, more personalized, and much less exhausting. Instead of jumping between job boards, resume files, cover letter templates, and spreadsheets, JobAssist brings everything into one workflow. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get into it. Alright folks, let's start inside the platform. The first thing you notice is that JobAssist is built around the real job search process. You have job discovery, your profile, applications, and messages all connected in one place, which already makes the whole workflow feel cleaner. Instead of keeping jobs in one tab, resumes in another folder, and follow-ups in a spreadsheet, everything is organized around the same application pipeline. We'll begin with the Explore section. Here we can see a list of current job openings, and each card shows key information right away: company name, salary range, role type, and whether the position is remote, hybrid, or on-site. That helps you quickly filter out jobs that clearly don't fit, instead of wasting time opening every single listing manually. Guys, you can also use search and filters to narrow everything down by your direction. For example, you can search for IT roles, marketing roles, software positions, or anything else that matches your experience. When you open a job, you see the full description, responsibilities, and requirements in one place, so it's much easier to decide whether this role is actually worth your time. This is also where JobAssist becomes more useful than a normal job board. It helps you spot the important details in the job description, so you understand which skills, keywords, and experience points matter before preparing your application. And that's important, mates, because sending the same generic resume to every company is usually where people lose a lot of opportunities. Now let's move to the profile section, because this is the foundation of the whole system. Think of your profile as the database JobAssist uses to personalize your applications. Instead of rewriting the same information every time, you set up your background once, and the AI uses it later for resumes, cover letters, and application materials. The first step is uploading your base resume. The platform scans it and pulls out your experience, education, skills, and professional details. That saves time, friends, because you don't need to fill out dozens of fields manually, and it also gives the AI a much stronger starting point when it begins tailoring your application. This becomes especially useful when you're applying to different roles. One job may care more about React and Node.js, while another may care more about communication, project management, or automation experience. JobAssist can help highlight the most relevant parts for each specific opening, so your application feels more aligned with what the employer is actually asking for. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's go back to the application flow. When we choose a job, we can use Easy Apply to start quickly. But instead of sending something generic, we can let the AI help us personalize the application based on the job description and the profile we already prepared. In the application section, we see all active applications and the jobs we have already added. The platform also shows when something is incomplete, so you don't lose track of what still needs attention. Folks, this is helpful when you're applying to several jobs at once, because it's very easy to forget which role needs a cover letter, which one needs extra details, and which one is ready to submit. Now we click Complete Application. And this is where cover letter assistance comes in. Instead of writing a plain "Please consider my application" message, JobAssist analyzes the job description together with your profile and creates a short, targeted message for that specific company. It's not just filling space, it's trying to connect your background to the exact role. For example, if the role is focused on software development, it can highlight skills like React, Node.js, or similar project experience. If the company needs someone who works well across teams, it can shift the message towards communication, collaboration, and problem solving. That kind of adjustment is small, but it makes the application feel much more intentional. And mates, this is one of the most important parts of modern job search. Recruiters see tons of applications, and generic messages are easy to ignore. But when your cover letter clearly connects your background to the exact role, it gives them a reason to keep reading. Once the AI generates the message, you can review it, make small edits, and submit the application. I'd still recommend reading everything before sending, because it should sound like you, but having that first draft saves a lot of time. Instead of staring at a blank page, you start with something structured and then adjust the tone if needed. After submission, the application stays inside your workflow. Folks, you can track what you've applied to, what needs follow-up, and when responses come in, they appear in the inbox, where you can review messages and reply without losing context. That means you're not digging through email threads, trying to remember which job this was about. And that's what makes JobAssist more than just a resume tool. It helps with the whole process: searching, preparing, applying, tracking, and responding. Compared to traditional job searching, where everything is scattered across different tools, this feels much more controlled and much less stressful. Friends, there is also a 7-day free trial, so you can test the workflow, set up your profile, optimize your resume, and send a few personalized applications before deciding if it fits your search. So guys, what JobAssist really does is remove a lot of the routine from job searching. It helps you find roles, organize your profile, personalize applications, generate stronger cover letters, and track everything in one place. It's not a magic button that guarantees a job, and you still need to choose the right roles and review applications before sending them. But it does make the process much more efficient, especially if you're applying to multiple positions. If you're job hunting, switching careers, or trying to make your resume and cover letter stronger, JobAssist is definitely worth testing. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.